So you guys, I just went to Starbucks and I got a blue drink. Oh, as you can see. So good. What a cake pop. Wait, okay, wait. You guys don't that. Cake pop. And I'm not eating yet. Because I'm a little money. Okay, oh, that's also coffee. Coffee, but I was like, these drinks are not coffee. Have a pink kitty drink kitty day.